we're going to do dribbling. So that's your place, this is my spot. Make sure to have the proper base. The reason why we use this drill mat to teach our body that the right place. I want you to stay wide, okay? First part, just give me pound dribble. I just want to see, okay? This time, we're going to do a pocket dribble. Pocket dribble, right after you pound, ball goes to your pocket. Okay? So a while ago, we did pound. So make sure the placement of your hand should be behind the ball, not under. Kasi kapag under, it will be a violation. Behind. So rhythm of 3, on the third, you will pull the ball to your pocket. 1, 2, 3, pocket. 1, 2, 3, pocket. Pull it on, pull it on. Imagine you pulling a rope and bring it to your pocket. And make sure don't turn your shoulder like this. Ayaw na ganyan. Okay, what I want you to do is the reason why I asked you to hold the cone to activate your offhand. While holding the cone, make sure don't be too stiff. I want you to relax. While going aggressive with the basketball, I want you to stay relaxed with the cone. Be like this. Okay, relax mo yung offside. That's 20. This time, I want you to step your right foot. We call this split stance. But this time, we're going to add action with your offhand. On the third, you're going to place this. On the third, you're going to grab this. 1, 2, pocket place. 1, 2, pocket place. So, that's it. Don't go too wide. Yung sakto lang. And make sure once you place the cone, don't drop it like that. Okay? I want you to be in control. Okay. I want you to do continuous pocket. Pocket place. Pocket place. Give the cone. The cone. There you go. We'll try to progress your pocket dribble into a drop footwork. So here's the ingredient. So listen up. Whenever you do this, we call this split. Split. We're going to add the pocket dribble. When I do this, split to pocket, we call this drop. Pocket. Drop. Drop. Good job. That's it. That's it. Wait, so I'll place it here. Palm, drop, then top. Put it in. So when you execute your drop, tapos yung placement na kami mo under the ball, it will be a lifting. To make it sure, placement of the hand should be behind the ball. Push. That's progressive. So we're going to add another footwork. Pagka-drop natin, I want you to do this step. We call this step in. So this time, drop, step in through, foot replacement. Okay? Drop, step in through, cross, foot replacement. Drop, step in through, cross, foot replacement. There you go. Good job. Most of the players that we train, they do floaters too sharp like this. With the help of this foam roller, I'm going to add stick. It will enhance the arc of your floater. It will become like this. Our footwork will be jump stop. Here, you're just gonna do a jump stop. When you say jump stop, you're gonna skip with your one leg, then jump stop to floater. Jump stop, floater. I'll try to force you, let's do it with your weak side. Try natin left. This time, we're going to do a floater coming off a second step finish. This will be my triple step. This will be my first step, second step, and my floater finish. 3, 4, first, second, finish. There you go. Mag-add ako nito to force you to go low. Why do I need to go under? To force you to really go low. Kasi without this accountability, pag sinabi kong attack, you'll just go like this lang. Pero with the use of this, it will force your body to really go low. Execute yung grab ko. Drop, attack, move. I'm going to add stick on the board para yung floater natin ma-enhance. Drop, move. First, second, floater. First, second, finish, higher. Nice one. So continuous dribble ka, continuous pound. So once I say the color, stop it. Pero you have to do packet. White, red, blue, yellow, blue, red. So coach, why do we need to grab the ball? Kasi we don't do that in game naman. So since nasa training tayo, gusto natin ma-reach yung feel. Ang sinisimulate natin yung movement, yung mga body traits and characteristics. That's why I will ask you to hack this. So I'll show you. Same footwork we did a while ago. You have to drop. Then first, second, yeah! More back. Attack. Attack. Drop. Drop. Ayan na sir. Play defense ha. Ito yung ini-enhance natin dyan ha. Defend mo. Ayan yan. Boom! Ito para masana yung mind mo. Na active yung offside mo. Go!